In my head.
Hi guys, today we're in a 2017 Honda Ridgeline. I'm going to show you how to remove your spare tire out of the truck. Now we're going to start out with loosening the wing nuts that are right in front of the handles. There's one. I'm going to put it right back in, but I'm not going to screw it in. I'm just going to leave it there so I don't lose it. There's two. I'm going to leave that there as well. I'm going to slightly pull it out and grab with two hands and place it right on top of the storage container. And you'll notice there's the separators, and it's going to lay right into it, and now you can't move it around. You don't have to worry about losing it. Unscrew the top. Pull that wing nut out. Now pull this out. And notice you have all the tools you need to change your spare tire. For instance, this is a lug wrench. Then we got the bar to turn the jack. Now what's cool about this, you'll notice there's two holes in the lug wrench. Now you can stick these into that.
Everybody's wrong. Rewrote the song. Thoughts become action. Tell me what's happening. What's your mind wrapped in? Wrapped around. Wrapped around. Wrapped around. What's your mind wrapped in? Wrapped around. Psyche sabotage. Your Nikes need a job. Portraits in the fog. Filter out the smog. Information log. So fast the past recalls. You back the future stalls. Fade to black the present pause. Pull out some liquor for the homies lost.